been learning wrong your whole life. Schools taught you wrong. Your parents taught you wrong. Everyone's an idiot. You think learning takes months, years even. You think you need to sit in classrooms, take notes, do homework, study for tests. Wrong. Some people learn entire subjects in days, not because they're smarter, because they know 3 methods. I'm about to show you exactly how they do it, and by the end of this video, you'll never approach learning the same way again. Chapter 1. The Mistake Method. Schools say avoid mistakes. Get it right the first time. Study hard so you don't mess up. Idiots. The truth? Make mistakes on purpose, right from the start. Your brain learns faster from failures than successes. Example. Learning about World War II. Close the book first. Then ask yourself, explain what happened in World War II. Start talking. So Germany invaded Poland and, something about Japan attacking. And, wait, how did America get involved exactly? Hit a roadblock? Perfect. Write it down. Need to learn America's entry into war. Then go back and read just that part. Fill the gap. Try explaining again. Keep repeating. Close book. Explain again. You're failing every few minutes on purpose. Your brain only remembers the stuff it struggled with. Schools can't do this. Why? Class size. 1 teacher, 30 students. No time to track each kid's mistakes. Easier to teach everyone the same thing. But knowing what to learn is only half the problem. The other half? Actually focusing long enough to learn it. Most people can't. The second method fixes this. Chapter 2. Productive procrastination. Your brain gets bored easily. When it's bored, it looks for escape. Use that. Pick 2 subjects you need to learn. Math and Spanish. Start with math. Your brain gets tired, wants to quit. Perfect. Don't quit. Switch to Spanish instead. Suddenly your brain wakes up. Spanish feels like freedom. You focus way better. Why? Your brain thinks it's escaping math. Spanish becomes the fun option, even though Spanish is also work. Your brain is an idiot, but a useful idiot. Keep switching. Math gets boring? Switch to Spanish. Spanish gets hard? Back to math. Your brain never gets tired. Always thinks it's escaping to something better. Schools hate this. Why? It destroys their schedule. No structure. Students learning different things at different times. Chaos. Administrators need predictable curriculums. This isn't predictable. But what if you forget everything next week? Most people do. The third method fixes this. Makes forgetting impossible. Chapter 3. Memory laundering. This makes knowledge stick forever. How? You wash information through different brain parts. Step 1. Read something for 5 minutes. Normal. Step 2. Draw it. Your visual brain wakes up. Step 3. Make it a story or a joke. Your emotional brain locks it in. Step 4. Explain why it matters. Your logical brain locks it in by understanding the purpose. Example. Chemistry. Atoms have electrons, protons, neutrons. Read about them. Boring. Now draw them as party guests. Electrons are the crazy ones dancing everywhere. Protons are the bouncers keeping order. Neutrons don't care about anything. Next, make a story. Electron walked into a bar. Whatever. Be stupid about it. Finally, explain why it matters. Electrons jumping around is why electricity works. Protons staying put is why atoms don't fall apart. Neutrons are like the chill roommate keeping everything balanced. Your logical brain locks it in by understanding the purpose. Now that information lives in 4 places in your brain, try to forget it. You can't. Memory champions use this. They don't have better brains. They just launder information better. Smart people, not idiots. Here's the problem though. You can use these 3 methods to learn fast, but if you don't know how to find the crucial 20% worth learning, what's the point? Most people get these methods but still waste time on the wrong things. They learn fast, but learn the wrong stuff. That's why I made this video breaking down exactly how to learn anything so fast it's almost unfair. Watch it next.